just wanted to come in. I want to see where you're going to microwave next is what I want to see. You can maybe make it on Nitro Circus. You can find something good to do.
Hello and welcome to this noisy episode of Let's Microwave This. We have the air conditioning running hot in the bottom. Andrew, pick the next item.
Oh, I'm going to pick this light up ball.
From Bodies. Ah, nice choice. We just went to the Bodies exhibition at the Luxor.
It also lights up.
Anybody's here in Vegas, you guys should go and check that out. It lights up too. Whoa! It's already sparking. It's going to be a good episode. I can see it already. Whoa. I don't know what this is supposed to be. Have you decided what it's supposed to be? Well, it has to do with something with the body.
I think it sells.
I think it's like molecules or something. Whoa, is that a fire in there or is that just a light?
Ooh, that's just the light. Pop!
Whoa, something's popping in there. Whoa, smoke is everywhere. We got the microwave, it popped again. Those are those little balls inside popping. It keeps popping. Whoa, this is crazy. Look at all the smoke. Still, it's popping. Smoking bad. Alright, I think we're gonna stop it. That's a finished product. That's pretty crazy. Didn't really expect that to happen. I thought it was going to explode or something. That was a cool effect. Tons of mini explosions. Exactly what I want.